Mom, can I buy this?
Hello? Hello? Go ahead. Hello? Yes. Why? Okay, wait. Ma'am, can I buy this? It's 2 pieces for now. Okay, go ahead. Sorry, my daughter. Yay! That's mom. Mom, can I buy this? Please. Go ahead. Okay. Sorry, I'm on the grocery store. Please call later. Let's go to the cashier. Let's go. Okay, ma'am. It's only $99. $99? Let me check on my wallet. Where's my wallet? This. I only have $20. Hey, ma'am. We can go to home. Let's go. That because of that. My money is only $20. And I have to pay. I need to pay the cashier in $99. Don't get that. That's why, huh? Mom, can you text dad for money? Okay. Oh, okay. Can I have money for $99? Okay. I send into the Gcash. Okay. Your dad is replied. What did he say? He sent me $99 in Gcash. Oh, thanks. This is my money. Go. I'm going to home. Done? Oh, it's done.